Good day, Dacians! This is Teacher Cristel and welcome to our class on Mathematics 1, Episode 14. For today's episode, we will talk about identifying halves and fourths. Let's start our discussion. Sarah and Jane are friends. They decided to divide the sandwich. How was the sandwich divided equally or fair? Each part is called 1/2, and it is written as the two parts are called halves. Sandwich equally divided. Here are some examples that are equally divided into two or halves. Let's try to solve the given problems. Number 1. The boys played half of the toy cars they have. They knew there were 24 cars in all. How many cars were not used? Let's find the half of 24. It's 12. A toy car model cost 60 pesos. Ian and Dan paid 1/2 each for the car model. How much did each boy pay? The answer is 30 pesos. We divide something into two equal parts to show 1/2. And we get the whole thing by adding the two equal parts.